With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says what is the correct representation of the cardiac cycle out of the 4 diagrams which are given here. So here we see that starting from the cardiac cycle, which is going to start from the first step, that is called as joint diastole. In the joint diastole, all the 4 chambers are in the relaxed state. So auricles and ventricles, they are relaxing and blood is being filled into the auricles from the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and the coronary sinus. The second step here will be when the SA node gets an impulse. As the SA node gets an impulse, it is going to transfer this impulse to the atria, thereby causing the second step, which is called as the atrial systole. Now this atria on both the sides will undergo a process of contraction, thereby pushing the blood into the blood which was filled in, now it will be pushed into the ventricles. As the blood gets pushed into the ventricles, there will be the third step. Now the ventricles will undergo a process of contraction which is called as ventricular systole, and this ventricle will now will push the blood into the aorta on the left side and into the pulmonary artery on the right side. So here that means the JD will be followed by the AS, then the VS. So here it is written atrial systole, then ventricular systole, then there is joint diastole, right? So it says that first the systole of the atria, then VS, then the joint diastole can take place. Now the next one says the ventricular systole, then the atrial systole. This is the wrong sequence. Then the third one is the atrial systole, ventricular systole, followed by joint systole. There is nothing called as joint systole, so this is wrong. Then we have the joint diastole, then it says the atrial systole, and the ventricular systole is, it is circulating between the AS and the VS. So this is also wrong. This does not happen like this. So what happens is the joint diastole will lead to atrial systole, which is going to lead to the ventricular systole, and then again the joint diastole will take place. So this is how the cardiac cycle takes place in every 0.8 seconds, right? Now here we can mark option number 1, that is as a right answer for this question, whereas the other options which are given here, they are the wrong representations of the cardiac cycle. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.